Hey, today I'm going to try and channel Amy Winehouse and do that updo that she's so notorious for. It's really easy. You're just going to need something to put right here for the beehive look. You can get like a hairnet and put like a bundle of like a hair extension, make a little ball. I've seen people use the shower poof, something that matches your hair. Can work also. You can use the little round thing I used for the sock bun. So anyways, first you're gonna section your hair off in the front here. And definitely gonna want to tease it. Teasing is the secret to all the high hair. You can spray it. So then you're just going to smooth it on the top and then keep ratting or teasing. I'm gonna rat the sides now too.
Gary's gonna go crazy.
You could do this for a while and it would probably help your hair get a little bit higher up. So anyways, under the top part here is where I'm going to anchor my poof. And you're gonna need a lot of bobby pins and you just wanna pin it underneath there. Damian, say hi. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
And just gonna pin it all around till I feel it's secure and it's not gonna fall. Then you're gonna take your front section of hair and there's a ghost. And you're going to kind of mold it over your bump. You can keep ratting and you could keep smoothing it out. And I just kind of, now he's a zombie. And then the bottom of my hair is going to cover the back part of that poof thing, so you can't really see it. And you think, oh, how does she get her hair so high? And I'm gonna pin the end of my hair
I'm a vampire.
to the back. And just feel it, whatever's falling down. You're gonna pin it up. And you can do a bunch of them, like when you see all the pins kind of like into each other. And there's the back. It might look, you might be able to see the thing, but that's why you want to use something close to your hair color, so they can't really tell. If you have thicker, longer hair, it's easier to cover it up. But, I mean, if you're going for her look, you don't want it to be perfect. And if you have bangs, you could definitely, do that front section off to the side. I'm going to curl my hair in the back. Lots of hairspray. And then it looks really cute if you put a big scar around it. Make a big bow like she always did.
It's gonna get dark soon. Mommy, it's gonna get dark soon.
This is kind of small, but you can do like a big thing right there, or a flower. Pin it. Just gonna brush my bangs down. There you go. I'm just gonna curl the bottom. That's it.
That's Amy Winehouse hair. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching our video from Ninjago.
Bye.
Bye.